Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the product, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a look at LogMeOnce, found at https://www.logmeonce.com. LogMeOnce offers a comprehensive password management solution designed to simplify and secure your online life. Their platform provides a range of features aimed at eliminating the hassle of remembering numerous passwords while simultaneously bolstering your defenses against cyber threats. One of the standout features of LogMeOnce is its diverse range of access methods. Beyond traditional username and password logins, they offer options like biometric authentication, using your fingerprint or facial recognition, and multi-factor authentication using authenticator apps or physical security keys. This layered approach to security adds significant protection against unauthorized access. LogMeOnce also provides a secure password vault for storing and managing all your passwords. This encrypted vault keeps your credentials safe and organized, eliminating the need to write them down or reuse them across multiple sites, a common vulnerability that hackers exploit. The platform also boasts a password generator that can create strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, further enhancing your online security posture. In addition to its core password management functionalities, LogMeOnce offers features like secure file sharing and a digital wallet for storing sensitive information like credit card details and personal identification documents. This makes it a versatile tool for managing not only your passwords but also other crucial aspects of your digital identity. For businesses, LogMeOnce offers specialized solutions tailored to their specific needs, including features for team management and enhanced security controls. With its robust set of features and focus on security, LogMeOnce provides a valuable service for individuals and businesses seeking to navigate the complexities of online security in today's digital landscape. If you are tired of juggling multiple passwords or concerned about the security of your online accounts, I encourage you to check out LogMeOnce. Remember, all the links mentioned are in the description. Thanks for watching.